Hello friends, welcome to Maths Lover, and today we are going to discuss mathematics, and in today's topic we will cover properties of a rational number. So what are the properties of a rational number? In this class we will discuss. So the very first property is closure property. Suppose that if we are taking two rational numbers, two different rational numbers, let's A and B are two rational numbers. So suppose that this A is represents addition, this S represents subtraction, this N represents multiplication, and this D represents division. So in the case of addition, if you will add two rational number, if you are going to add two rational number, definitely you will get another rational number. Let's see, suppose that if you are adding two rational numbers, suppose that 1 plus 2, 100% you will get 3. This is also a rational number, this is also a rational number, this is also a rational number. So you will get a rational number. But in the case of subtraction, you are going to subtract 1 minus 2, you will get minus of 1. And this is a rational number, this is a rational number, this is also a rational number. So in the case of subtraction, you will get a rational number. A into B. Suppose that if you are taking 1 into 2, you will get 2. So again you will get a rational number. If you are dividing two rational numbers, suppose that 1 divided by 2, you will get 1 by 2. But what about 1 by 0? Because 1 is also a rational number and 0 is also a rational number. If you will divide 1 upon 0, it is not defined. It is not defined. So my dear, suppose that if you are taking 0 upon 1, yeah, it's possible. It's possible you will get a 0. 0 is a rational number, but in the case of 1 upon 0, means if 0 value is in denominator, if 0 value is in denominator at the time 1 upon 0, or in numerator if you have any number, in denominator if you have 0 at the time, that number is not defined, that number is not defined. So we will say that if you will divide, you will not get a rational number. रीजन इज दैट व्हेन एवर जब भी आपका जो डिनोमिनेटर है बच्चे, जब भी वो आपका जीरो होगा एट द टाइम, इफ डिनोमिनेटर वैल्यू इज जीरो, इट्स नॉट डिफाइंड. इज इट क्लियर? प्लीज नोट डाउन. Second property will be commutative property. Commutative property. Again, let's A and B are two rational number. ठीक है भाई. तो कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी में क्या करते हैं यार, ऑर्डर चेंज करेंगे. सपोज दैट ए प्लस बी, अपन चेक करेंगे बी प्लस ए को. यार सिंपल सी बात है, इफ यू आर एडिंग टू रैशनल नंबर और आपने ऑर्डर चेंज किया है, मीन्स 1 प्लस 2 और 2 प्लस 1, 1 अपॉन 2 प्लस 1 अपॉन 3 और 1 अपॉन 3 प्लस 1 अपॉन 2. यार आंसर विल बी सेम. Answer will be written same. So in the case of commutative property, for the addition it will be same, like 1 plus 2, 2 plus 1, you will get same answer. In the case of subtraction, a minus b, b minus a, मुझे नहीं पता, चेक कर लेते हैं. 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 2, so yes, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 will be minus 1, 2 minus 1 will be 1. It is not equal. So commutative property in the case of subtraction is not valid. My dear, in the case of multiplication, A into B, B into A. Let's check 1 into 2, 2 into 1. Both side 2, both side 2. 2 equal. So it will be equal. But in the case of division, suppose that 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 1 both are same. No, both are not same. So commutative property in the case of division, commutative property in the case of subtraction is not valid for rest number. But commutative property in the case of addition and in the case of multiplication is valid. Is it clear or not? Please move on. Right now, third one is associative property. Suppose that we are taking A, B, C are three rational numbers. In the case of addition, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. क्या करेंगे अपन? A plus B, B plus C. We will use a bracket. तो यार अपन चेक करते हैं. सपोज दैट अपन ने क्या लिया? 1 2 3 लिया. तो 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3. Suppose that first we will add 1 plus 2, again we will add 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 we will get 3 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 5, 6, 6. Both are equal. So this property is valid. But in the case of subtraction, कैच ले लिया हूँ. But in the case of subtraction, A minus B minus of C, let's check is it equal or not. A minus B minus C, let's check. 1 minus 2 minus 3, 1 minus 2 minus 3, bracket and bracket. Okay. 1 minus 2 how much? Minus of 1, minus of 3. Minus 1 minus 3, minus of 4. Let's say 1 minus 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, minus of 1. Minus minus plus, so 1 plus 1 will be 2. Minus 4 is not equals to 2, so this property is not valid. बोलो यार. In the case of multiplication, A into B into C, A into B into C, break it. चेक कर लेते हैं. 1 2 3, 1 2 3. One into 2 into 3, 1 into 2 into 3. Break it, break it. 2 1s are 2, 2 into 3. 1 into 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 6 1 are 6. Both are same. So this property will be valid. Right now, last one will be division. First, I am trying to solve left part. Suppose that 1 divided by 2 divided by 3. Okay, so it will be 1 upon 2 upon 3. So it will be 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Now in right side 1 2 3. So it will be 1 upon 2 by 3. 1 upon 2 by 3. So you will get 3 upon 2. Here 3 upon 2, 1 by 6, both are not same. So in the case of associative property in the case of subtraction and in the case of division is not valid, but associative property is valid in the case of addition and in the case of multiplication. This property is valid for rational numbers. Please note down. Next property will be डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. नाम से ही पता चल रहा है क्या डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना. Distributive property of multiplication over this is first case of property 4 over addition. Okay, and second property will be over subtraction. See, suppose that if we are taking a multiplication with b plus c, a multiplied with b plus a multiplied with c. In the case of subtraction, a into b minus c, a multiplication with b minus a multiplication with c. Easily we can check if we are substituting value 1, 2 plus 3, 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Right? 2 ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. 2 plus 3 we will get 5. 2 plus 3, 5 into 1 will be 5. 5 equal. So this property is valid. But in the case of subtraction, 1 into 2 minus 3, 1 into 2 minus 1 into 3. 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 3, 3. 2 minus 3, we will get minus of 1. But left side, 2 minus 3, we will get minus of 1. 1 into minus 1, we will get minus of 1 here. Both are same. So this property is valid. Is it clear or not? Next property will be identity property. Next property will be identity property. So first property is additive identity. Second property is multiplicative identity. Okay, यार एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी क्या बोलती है कि कोई रेशनल नंबर है. इफ सपोज दैट a इज एनी रेशनल नंबर, या मैं इस रेशनल नंबर में क्या ऐसा ऐड करूं सो दैट दिस रेशनल नंबर शुड बी सेम. लाइक दिस इज वन रेशनल नंबर, which number I can add in this rational number so that this number should be remain same. So sir, if we will add 0, our number will be remain same. So this 0 is the additive identity. Is it clear? अच्छा, कोई आपके पास रेशनल नंबर है, सर किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं so that this number should be remain same. किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं जिससे ये जो नंबर है वो सेम रहना चाहिए. a into 1, it will be a. So this one will be multiplicative identity. Is it clear or not? Right now, second one is Okay. Right now, second one will be multiplicative inverse. Inverse. Okay. Here inverse. Right now, suppose that if we have any rational number, suppose that a is a rational number, इसमें मैं क्या ऐड करूं सो दैट आवर आंसर विल बी जीरो। सर आप इसमें ऐड करो माइनस ऑफ ए से, सो इट विल बी जीरो। सो दिस इज योर एडिटिव इनवर्स। सर इसमें मैं किससे मल्टीप्लाई करूं सो दैट जो अपना आंसर आए वो कितना है 1। सर इसमें आप इसके रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, यू विल गेट 1। सो दिस इज योर multiplicative inverse, and my dear, this is reciprocal. Is it clear or not? So additive inverse के लिए you have to add, क्या करना है, जो भी नंबर दिया जाए एक अपोजिट साइन लेना है आपको। सपोज दैट अगर यहाँ पे माइनस ऑफ ए होता तो इसका जो अपोजिट साइन होगा दैट इज पॉजिटिव ऑफ ए, अपन उसको ऐड कर देते सो दैट जो अपना आंसर आए वो जीरो आए। अगर यहाँ पर कोई भी रेशनल नंबर है, सपोज दैट 2/3 है, फॉर एग्जांपल 2/3, आपको इसको 1 करना है, you have to multiply with the reciprocal of this number. So reciprocal means यहाँ न्यूमरेटर को डिनोमिनेटर, डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमरेटर में कन्वर्ट कर दो, so it will be 3/2, your answer will be 1. Is it clear or not? So ये थी आपकी प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ रेशनल नंबर्स। थैंक यू।